Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. The Niger Delta leader and former Federal Commissioner for Information, Chief Edwin Clark, has written to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu on the ongoing crisis in Rivers State. And that's what we're going to talk about. And that letter is a letter that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu better pay attention to it because of the consequences of not taking advice of this man, because of the strategic importance of Rivers State and Niger Delta to the economy of Nigeria. Now, Edwin Clark has asked President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to, as a matter of urgency, halt the threatening crisis in Rivers State. In a letter to President Tinubu, he reiterated that Tinubu should caution the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory and former Governor of Rivers State, Nyesom Wike, and call him to order in the overall interest of Nigeria to allow the elected governor, Simi Fubara, whom Wike claimed he brought to power, to exercise his responsibility as the state governor, saying that the truth be told, that Nyesom Wike does not want peace in Rivers State. So he is telling Tinubu that Nyesom Wike does not want peace in Rivers State, that he should do something about it. In the letter dated 25th June 2024, the leader of Pan Niger Delta Forum, otherwise known as PANDEF, called on Tinubu to tread the path of great honor as a self-professed Democrat in bringing the very troubling situation in Rivers State to an immediate end. He reminded Tinubu that the situation in Rivers State is like a banana peel, and if nothing is done in it, could engulf everywhere. Could engulf everywhere. That is why I talk about the consequences of not listening to Edwin Clark. Now, Edwin Clark alleged that it was because of the federal might, obviously coming from the vintage position of the FCT minister, that is why the federal lawmakers, because that's why the state lawmakers who have defected from the PDP that brought them to power to the All Progressive Congress, and had therefore lost their seat by virtue of Section 1091G of the 1999 Constitution, are still flexing muscles that they are still the lawmakers. He said they can only do this because federal might is behind them. And what is federal might? Federal might is Bola Ahmed Tinubu and Nyesom Wike. That's the message Edwin Clark was sending there. It is say because of federal might, that's what is giving them courage. He went on to say it was because of the same federal might. That is why local government chairmen whose tenure have expired after 3 years in office are still insisting that their tenure had been increased, and they are enjoying the protection of the Nigerian police. That's what Edwin Clark is saying. He said they can only do that because of federal might. In other words, Edwin Clark is reminding Bola Ahmed Tinubu that it is because of him and Nyesom Wike that these people can do all this. He went on to say, it is also because of federal might that the recently constituted local government caretaker committee chairmen were not allowed to resume at the local government secretariats. And he said that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu should do something about it. He also went on to talk about the fact that even the judiciary, the conflicting judgment from the judiciary, he said, it's also as a result of federal might. He's therefore taking President Bola Ahmed Tinubu responsible, because when you talk about federal, who is federal might? Who controls the police, the army, and everything? Is the president. In terms of the police that is occupying local government in Rivers State, the IGP takes order from Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Now, the Niger Delta leader, Edwin Clark, has said that what is going on in Rivers State is a banana peel. And you know what it means when a banana peel is lying on the floor. You can step on it and it will take you down. And there are consequences in not addressing it as fast as Edwin Clark is demanding. One, we know the strategic position of Rivers State in the economy of Nigeria. What affects Rivers State affects Niger Delta. If there is instability in Rivers State, as what is going on now, it is going to engulf everywhere, as Edwin Clark has warned. Right now, Tinubu may be feeling on top of the world that he has Nyesom Wike, that they can do anything they like in Niger Delta, nothing they happen. They should go and ask President Buhari. Remember that when President Buhari emerged the president of Nigeria, he started with this braggadocio that nothing is happening in Niger Delta. So many things that were ongoing were cancelled. Even a university being built, they cancelled it. They were even boasting that they are going to remove the amnesty program. They can do this, they can do that, to show that it's a general that is in power. But when Niger Delta responded, Nigeria went into recession. I don't think that is the kind of thing the administration want to see in Niger Delta right now. No matter the assurances that Bola Ahmed Tinubu is getting from Nyesom Wike and other politicians from Rivers State in Abuja. Edwin Clark is warning that this issue be addressed. And this thing is a simple thing. Governor Fubara has constituted caretaker committee. The tenure of the local government chairman has finished. They should give way. They are not the only local government chairman in Nigeria that their tenure finished and they were told to go. In fact, Fubara was being even charitable. We have seen local government chairmen being chased out of office, even though they were elected. It happened in Rivers State. The local government chairman that were elected under Amechi, Nyesom Wike swept them away. In Imo State, the local government chairman that were elected under Rocha Sokorocha, once this man entered Osodema, he cancelled that, whatever is that, and they were chased away, and he constituted his own caretaker committee. These are the patterns all over the country. So what's the big deal in telling the local government chairman to step aside? They swore in for 3 years. You don't need a lawyer to tell you that they should step aside. Like Edwin Clark was saying, if not for federal might, why would a local government chairman that have stayed for 3 years, which was the tenure that he was elected and sworn in to serve, insisting that it has been extended for 6 months? And then, like Edwin Clark said, and they are enjoying police protection. Why is that done? So if for peace to reign and for the sake of our economy, this country cannot afford crisis in Rivers State and crisis in Niger Delta. Edwin Clark has said it could go beyond Rivers State. So the president and commander-in-chief should listen to Edwin Clark, because already the economy of Nigeria is in dire strait. The same president, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, claimed that he inherited a dead economy. Unless maybe they want to see the economy being buried, I think they better allow Fubara as Edwin Clark is begging them, allow Fubara to work. He is the chief security officer. He was elected by the people. They should allow him to work. All this pretension that they are following what the court is saying is just pretension. Because if not for federal might, they will not be talking about that the court said this, they are waiting for court judgment. No. Whether you are waiting for court judgment or not, the governor has appointed caretaker committee chairman. The police ought to be protecting those caretaker committee chairmen and ensure that they are doing their job until such a time that the state government will organize an election to replace those that their tenure had finished. And civil servants, local government workers should be able to go to their offices and perform their responsibilities. Now they are virtually doing nothing and they will be drawing salary. Of course, I learned that the governor has said, okay, since the police are also occupying everywhere, they should be working virtually, like during the time of COVID. But that's not how it's supposed to be. Why should the state be held hostage as a result of local government chairmen that their tenures have expired? So, the presidency should listen to Edwin Clark. Edwin Clark, in that his letter, he said, he was reminding Tinubu that Tinubu said he's 70 or something like that, that at his own age, because Edwin Clark is over 90, he said he could call Tinubu his son. Therefore, he is telling Tinubu what the elders see while sitting down. Even the child, if he climb tree, he may not see it. And Edwin Clark reminded him of those he has worked with, both Murtala Mohammed, Sheikh Shagari and all that, to show him that he knows a bit about this country. I think President Bola Ahmed Tinubu should listen to him and do the needful by ensuring that Fubara is allowed to exercise his authority as the duly elected governor of Rivers State. And it wouldn't cost Bola Ahmed Tinubu anything to do that. But it will help him to have stability in one of the areas that are maintaining this economy of Nigeria. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.